Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Schwab Charitable donation receipts for deductions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Schwab Charitable donation receipts for deductions, start by logging into your Schwab Charitable account. Once logged in, navigate to the contributions section of the dashboard. Here, you will find a list of your past contributions. Select the specific donation for which you need a receipt. Click on the donation date to view the detailed information. Look for the option that says Request Receipt. Click on this option to initiate the receipt generation process. Follow the prompts to confirm your request for a donation receipt. Once your receipt request is submitted, you will receive an email confirmation. Check your email for any additional instructions from Schwab Charitable. After receiving confirmation, wait for the receipt to be generated, which typically takes a few business days. Once your receipt is ready, it will be available for download in your account. Navigate back to the contributions section to find and download your receipt. Make sure to save a copy for your personal records and tax filing. Review the details on the receipt for accuracy, ensuring it includes your name, donation amount, and date. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Schwab Charitable Customer Service for assistance. That's it. You're now set to use your Schwab Charitable donation receipt for tax deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.